Hello guys, tonight we are going to do samgyeopsal as we are going to wait for the updates on Bagyong Uwan. So we have here pork strips. Wala na kasing beef strips, so we are going to use this one. And of course we have kimchi here, and then of course the lettuce and more pork strips. So we have here, we are starting to cook. Okay. Right. So we have here, I'll try to cook some samgyeopsal. Okay. So, let's make it crispy.
Kumusta po kayo dyan?
We are good here in our place. Hindi naman masyadong maulan, makulimlim lang. And then hindi naman masyadong kalakasan yung hangin. So we continue to pray.
Comment po yung mga area po ninyo para mag-check po natin. Ayan.
Okay. So while doing the samgyup here, yun, nag-update with that team lakbay over there. So yun ang setup. Okay.
Pag-share po muna yung live natin para sabay-sabay natin yung monitor si Bagyong Uwan. Time check, 8:49 PM.
Yan. Nag-brownish na siya. Guys, I'm cooking here. I'm doing the samgyup.
Pag-share po muna bago tayo magsimula. Pag-share po muna.
Yun o. So, nag-brownish na siya.
Bago tayo magsimula, pag-share po muna sa mga kakilala po ninyo.
Okay, let's dip this one here. Okay, and put it inside. And of course, I'll put some kimchi. You know. Sarap nito, mga guys.
Para po alam po nila kung saan si Bagyong Uwan.
This is so yummy. Alright. And then, let's eat. Come on.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Visayas at Mindanao.
So yummy.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Yan, marami na pong